just let it all out. Good.
Oh, crap!
Nice deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. One more time. All the way out. Very good. Okay, so arms up by your side for me. Good. So I'm going to start by adjusting the mid-back, okay? Nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. Great. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Wow.
Yes.
That was awesome.
Oh, that's so good.
Drop it. That to the right, drop it. Oh. Drop it. Right, drop it. Left, drop it. Together, elbows together. Oh man. Head to the left, drop it. Towards the right, drop it. Oh, drop it. Left, drop it. Oh. Just let the head fall to the hand for me.
Oh my God.
Very good.
Okay.
How'd that feel?
Oh, that's great.
Is that the spot you were looking for?
Yep, that's it. It's right there. I feel like the other adjustments are like baby adjustments.
Just let the head fall for me. Very good. Awesome. A deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it.
Oh,
Very good.
whoa. No.
Wow.
No.
And just dropping its mic. Wow.
Oh my God, that one was louder than the other one, right? Oh my God.
Very nice. So I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid-back, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. And all the way out. Perfect.
Oh my God.
How did that feel?
No.
You can see your back almost just flatten out here.
Really?
Which is great. Nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Awesome. Wow, how'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. So I'm going to hold you here. My legs are going to go on top of yours, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a second to get my contact. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Me?
Nice.
Jeez.
How'd that feel?
Good. I'm like, I'm 25, not 52. What?
Same thing, okay? Cracking already.
I know.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice.
Wow. I'm upset.
How'd that feel?
It felt really good.
I'm going to strap you in. You feel a nice stretch towards me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Give me one more time, deep breath in. And all the way out.
Oh my God.
Very nice.
I've been reborn.
How'd that feel?
That was good. I was actually really scared for that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, that felt really good.
What do you think now?
No, really good.
Awesome.
Everybody
Awesome.
should do it. Oh my God.
Awesome. Let's lift up. Just going to check some movement here. Just relax it. Perfect. I'm going to bend the knee up. Just relax it. Perfect. Just relax it. Perfect.